Hi everyone! Welcome to this quick demo of migrating business logic from Oracle to Java with SQLWays. Whether you're scaling for performance or modernizing your systems, automation makes migration faster and easier than ever. Let's start. First, we create a migration project directory. This acts as a workspace, storing auto-generated files like Java classes, properties, and configurations. Next, we set up the Oracle connection. Tune the ODBC DSN in source options. Provide a user and password with the right permissions. This lets SQLWays access the Oracle system tables. Now, define your target and database access, Java as a target, database API, and database management system. Pay attention that the target database must already exist, as SQLWays doesn't create it but populates it with converted objects. Simply drag and drop objects from the left panel to the right, or use the buttons below. On the summary page, double-check your settings. For advanced users, SQLWays provides a command line option for automation. Time to convert. During the conversion stage, the tool extracts details about the objects selected for this migration, transforms them, and generates the corresponding file set. SQLWays confirms everything migrated correctly. You'll see clear status indicators, and all files are neatly organized for review. Ran into errors? Here's what to do. First, check the report or log file. Most issues are easy to spot. License restrictions? Try reducing your migration batch size or upgrade your license. Still stuck? Our support team is ready to help and resolve SQLWays related issues fast. With everything in place, you're set to analyze the results and move forward. Finally, the Migration Reports page provides a summary of the entire process, including detailed statistics and a full conversion report. By clicking the Review Full Report button, you can view a full conversion report with detailed info about the migration rate, error summary, if any, object information, and other conversion details. After the process is complete, you can click the Finish button, and the conversion configuration will be saved for future launches. If you have any issues at this point, you can get assistance from the Aspire support team or choose SQLWays customization, which ensures up to 100% automated migration from Oracle to Java. And that's it. SQLWays makes Oracle to Java migration smooth and efficient. Ready to try it yourself? Get a free plan of SQLWays and start your migration journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. See you next time.